Hi, Akansha this side. I'm from Chandigarh. Uh, basically, I just want to share some experience about my daughter. She is suffering a lot from the cold and cough from past 1.5 month, and मैंने काफ़ी like एलोपैथी ट्रीटमेंट भी दिया उसको 1 मंथ टोटली कफ सिरप्स पिलाए बट कोई भी डिफरेंशिएट देखने को नहीं मिला डे बाय डे उसका प्रॉब्लम लाइक इंक्रीजिंग साइड पे ही रहा डॉक्टर सेट नेबुलाइज करवाओ सो वी ट्राइड ऑल but post that uh, I approached Dr. Aditi. So I just like give her the treatment about for 4 to 5 days. Even I have not completed the course for the week, so there was a drastic change. My daughter is completely fine now. So I recommend all of you to approach Dr. Aditi. She is the one who has all the solutions. So go for it. Thank you.